Welcome back, everyone. Last time we made an API for get player path by clicks. Now we're going to look at doing get player path by distance. We've already got a table set up here, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the data back. So player path by distance. I'm going to run this. Let's see what we get. We have all this stuff. So distance accumulative is new, and then counter is new. Okay, so now that we know what we're getting back here, we can do this pretty much the same query. We're going to copy this because I like saving time. I'll put this down here. Do you have any questions, Richard, so far?
I do, actually.
You do?
I do.
Oh,
yeah.
God. Shouldn't
so,
have yeah.
Going back to our underscore, which you really don't like having your underscores in there. Your method names had them.
Yes. Yes. I thank you. Well, so I was trying to be nice, but no, we'll keep them. We'll keep them. The database
But this
tables.
is your API.
That's fine. It'll just go with it.
You're letting it so that when I come and use the API,
Yeah, we're making it easy for you.
I can put my underscores and I can look like I have everything. And you didn't change everything behind the scenes anyway.
Exactly.
Oh, thank you, Nick.
I did
Isn't
it for
that
you,
very
Richard.
Nice? Taking care of your DBA.
So, alright, so what do we have in here? We had level version, so we have level name, level version, client ID is the same, distance accumulative, so we're going to add distance accumulative, and what else we have? We got player position. Okay, oh that's new. Okay, we have click. Wait, do we already have? Okay, click position X and player position. Oh, sorry, player position X, player position Y, player position Z, and then counter. So we're gonna change these. So player position.
Was player position spelled correctly in the
Oh, that is
database?
a very good. That's a good point. I didn't. No, it's still Postian.
Wow. Such Postian.
It's the best. Oh, oops.
It's the blessed kind of player.
Yes. I'll just go player position. We're gonna fix these up again because we've got a lazy DBA. And we get so.
I'm sorry, what was that? I wasn't
no,
listening.
it wasn't. Nothing. Okay, so player position, counter, distance accumulative. I believe that's everything, but I guess we can. Okay, from player path by distance. You know, let's run this real quick just to make sure that I've got everything correct. Go back in here, run this. Just should be fine, right? Hopefully. Cool. We've got better names and stuff. Cool. All right. Sweet. Did I open up this accidentally?
You did open that up.
Let's
Let's
close that.
Go ahead and close that project.
Close. Oh, don't. All right. Cool. Now let's make a model for that. Let's make a class for this data set.
Make what? Sorry, a class or a model?
A model for a class for a data set.
Okay.
Yep. So what was that called? It's called player path by distance. Player path by distance. Cool. So we're very lucky that that Richard made this all very easy for us all, or we all made it very easy for all of us to. Like, there's not too much work that we have to do here. Basically, copy the query, make a nice C# object, and then return it to the front end. And yeah, make it nice and easy, and make it easy for people to access.
Thanks, Nick. Telling me I did a good job.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
I still lost the bet. You're buying me lunch.
Well then. So what do we get back then? what can we consider our data types to be? Distance accumulative, that looks like a float, or it could be a double. We'll just say float for now. Distance accumulative, get, set, comma, semicolon, and clicks becomes counter. Cool, so in our home controller, we're going to change this to player path by distance, and hopefully we should be good to go. Unless I've missed something, but we should be fine. We should be fine. So this is what we had. Okay, and when this loads.
So you're waiting for it to finish loading right now. Do
Yes.
you need to wait for it to finish loading, or can you just start putting in /home/thing?
Technically we can. There's no reason why not. It's probably just going to redirect when the server's ready to serve us. But yeah, it's just a matter of waiting. Anyway, yeah, here we go. Here's our new data. Let's make sure that it maps up correctly with what we have in the database. So can I hide this? Doesn't matter. Alright, so we got 10, 13, 621 on distance accumulative. 10, 13, 621. Looks like we have the correct amount of decimal places. Player position Y and Z. All look to be correct, and I can't check counter, but it should be 4. It's 4. Alright, looks like we're all good. We got our next method going. That's about it for this one. See you next time.
Great. See you all next time.
Alright, see you next time.